Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a battery case that you can use to hold all your battery inside. So this is what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when I do first open up, if you see how the product is all nicely wrapped up, but let's take it out. Once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. So here is the front. If you guys turn to the back, this is what the back part looks like. So for this battery case, allow you guys to hold up to 180 batteries, and it is double-sided. So that way you can put some on this side and some on the other side as well. And see in the middle, they do provide you guys a battery tester to test out your battery when you guys need to. And on the back, they do provide you guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to use it. But when you guys do feel the overall material that's on here, it is plastic material. I do love the fact that how they do have a little handle for you to carry around really easily if you guys need to, or you can hang onto the wall. And right here on top, they do have an unlock and lock option for you to open it and close it. Really easy and really simple. Let me show you what the inside looks like. Let's open this side first. So once you guys do open it, that is basically what the inside looks like. If you see the way how they designed this case is all separated for each one is battery. So whether if you guys want to put the 90 batteries, the D batteries, the C batteries, AAA or AA, you do have all the different options available. And like I mentioned in the middle, they do provide you guys a battery tester that you can use to test your battery. And I love the fact that how they do have the little slot in the bottom where you put stuff if you guys need to as well. Maybe if you guys want to put like the flat batteries or any other accessories, feel free to do that inside. So this is what it looks like in this side. Let me open the other side to show you guys what that looks like as well. Alright, so once you guys open this side, this is what the other side looks like. And right here they do provide you the user manual like I mentioned. But see on this side, the way how they designed it allow you guys to put like your AA batteries. And you see how there's plenty of room on here. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go get some battery to put it inside to show you guys what the product looks like if you guys were to put it inside. So we'll do the D one first. Now let's put the C ones. So far so good. And we see we do have the D battery and C battery inside. Let's put some more battery inside. And when you guys do put the battery inside, you guys want to make sure the positive is facing upward toward the case. Alright, so that is basically all the batteries that I do have with me. And see when you guys do put it in, this is what the product looks like. So if you guys do have more batteries, feel free to put it inside. So if you guys do close it back up. Once you guys do close it back up, this is what the product looks like. So now all your batteries are all organized and you guys will know exactly where they are when you guys do need it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality battery case that can use to store all your battery inside to keep it all organized. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.